First time driving in Sonoma. Yellow group, I think. I got my SIM card to my GoPro, so hope somebody can bring it. If not, then I guess I will have footage of the first Sonoma day, or my first Sonoma track day. What happens when you forget your GoPro SIM card? You gotta improvise. Let's get it, baby. Alright, we got Noe on his second round right now. He's getting gapped on a C7, but man, he's got people right on him. He said, "See ya." He's looking good. It's good that he's trying to keep up with people that are faster than him, because you get to learn other people's lines. When you learn that, when you start knowing how late you can brake, start knowing certain lines that you know you can take faster, that's crazy. Woo! All right, here they come. So that C7 has gapped him tremendously, especially with the BMW right behind that too. Ooh, BMW getting a little squirrely. There we go. Get it. Woo! Nice line, nice line. All right, let's see if we can go to the other stands real quick. Actually, let's see if we can see him right here on this carousel. Man, that C7 is booking. And that BMW. But there he is. Not too far behind. He looked good right there. All right, let's go to the other one. Woo, boy, I'm C7 is fast. Coming up, inside clip. Let's see Noe's line. Brake, perfect brake. Woo! Tire's getting a little warm. Woo! There he is. Come on. Come on. There you go. That Beamer's on your ass. He's about to lap him. No! Let's go, let's go, let's go. He is on him. Let's go. Bro, give him the sauce. Go, there you go. Woo! that Z06 the Gap sauce. Gotta go, dog.